Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Warzone crashing. Like when you go into the game, it just start loading, and then it crash. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix that. I was I wasn't able to play for weeks, like almost a month, and until I finally find the fix for it. So here is the trick: is you gotta go to your setting. Gotta go to your setting. Then you're gonna go to TV and display option. Then you're gonna go to video modes. See see how a load YCC 4422, that's off, and HDR10 is unchecked. So if you have those two checked, I will show you right there. It's checked. Right there is checked. So we're gonna reboot the game. Gonna restart it, and then I'm gonna go into the game, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna kick me out straight to the home Xbox home menu.
Papa, I'm gonna get some likes because you made a lot of videos.
Yeah.
And you're making on the computer. Now you're gonna do it on the Xbox.
Okay, so the Xbox is just loading, just booting up. You will see. I think this is. I was before when they did the Rambo update. I was playing in the middle of a game, or sometime when I was playing a game, and then the second round I was playing, it didn't. I was playing like for about 10 minutes, and it kicked me out to the lobby, or either to the home menu of the Xbox. But see, I already rebooted it. I'm gonna let me turn on my controller. Then we're gonna go to Warzone. We're gonna load it up. Right there, it's loading. Just still loading. Then see, I don't know why it's giving me this thing, but I already have all those games. I own them. Yeah, another Warzone. Okay, now so we're gonna go. Let's set plunder quads, and I click plunder quads, and see if will kick me out this time, and then we'll let you we'll let you know. You will see if it will kick me out, or just like, oh, it was a one time that you once you check it, and then check it in, and check mark those settings HDR10, if it's that one time, or if you, I don't know, I just need to see. And And I can see like with this setting checked in, the quality is more like it's more clear than unchecked. But I'm gonna let it load up. See if it. I hope it takes me to the into the game. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna get kicked out to the home menu. Boom. That's it. See how he kicks me out back to the Xbox dashboard. So that's it. Okay. And now I'm gonna show you how to fix it again. So just go here, go to General, then TV and display option. Then we're gonna go to video modes. Then you gotta uncheck low HDR10. So you're gonna uncheck that, and you're gonna uncheck this as well. These two settings you will have to uncheck. And now, as you see, it's unchecked. We're gonna back out of here. We're gonna restart the Xbox again. Restart console. We're gonna wait it to boot up again. Like I said, there's many people having this kind of issues. I was breaking my head, like I was about to break the Xbox, like hammer it. I don't know if it was the Xbox or it was Activision or Ravens shit. I was tired because I bought the game just for that, for that reason. So if I purchase a game at $75 game, I'm supporting the developer. I'm supporting the company, and I just want the same service from the company that I purchased and support. But this one, it was uh, it was an issue. I was investigating it. I was looking around on my Xbox. I reset it. I factory reset it twice. Nothing it worked. So let me turn on my controller. Then let's go back into Warzone, and you will see how it's gonna load up. Just loading right there. And this isn't the season 4. And the season 3, I was just getting kicked out to the lobby or sometimes to the home dash, to the Xbox dash menu. And it's so frustrated, like there's a lot of bugs and glitches that this game have. Every update, either they fix something and then they mess up something else. And I mean, I like it so far. The game is good. It's just that they had a lot of problems. And this is on the Xbox One S. So now let's see, and let's hope this take me into the game and you will see it. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Match started. Loading level. And I noticed that once I check this setting, it kind of like take a little while to load up more than usual. I don't know what's that. I haven't researched what those settings are for, like what it does to the Xbox or the graphic on the graphic system. Yeah. And then there is the game starting. Match beginning in 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's keep the finger crossed. And I hope it let me play. Okay. And there is the game. See? That's the game right there. It's loading. It's ready to go on the warm up. The 30 or 45 seconds warm up. And that's what it is. I believe it's a warm up or it's just an actual game already. No, I don't think there's any warm up on this season 4. But yeah, that will fix your issue. If you have Xbox One S, Xbox One X, same procedure. I don't know about the Series X. If I'm pretty sure the Series X has different setting. But see, here it is. I'm in the game. Now you can play any games, battle royale, mini resurgence. All right. If you have any problem, if you were facing the same problem as me, just do this, and you definitely will have. Make sure you reboot your Xbox as well, and reboot your network system, cable modem, router, switch, anything you have connected to it, because otherwise you might gonna face a problem. But see, it's working just fine. All right, I hope you like and enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good evening.